I ask you the product of two number A into B, that is to be positive, then what are the possibilities about A and B individually? If I give you one term such that A into B, the product of two number, one is A, another one is B, their product is given as positive, right? If the product of A and B is positive, then what are the possibilities of individual values of A and B? Can you tell me what are the possibilities of individual value of A and B? What are the possibilities that you can tell me about the values of A and B? Infinite values, I don't need to know the exact values exactly, there will be infinite values, but argument wise, if I want to make the argument that will they be both positive or will they be both negative or one positive, one negative, what will be the possibilities? What do you think? See, when product of two numbers to be positive, so this implies that both A and B are positive, both A and B are positive. That means A itself greater than 0 and B is also greater than 0, and there can be another possibility, that is both A and B are negative. Product of two positive number can be positive, even product of two negative numbers can also be positive, right? So that's why both A and B simultaneously both need to be negative, either both of them will be positive or both of them will be negative. There can be infinite positive solution set for A and B when both are positive, and again there can be infinite solution sets of A and B taken both negative. But the fact that limitations will be arrived like this: if A is taken positive, then obviously B also need to be positive, or when A is taken negative, then correspondingly B also need to be negative value, right? Either both are positive or we can say both are negative. Okay, I am saying that to make the product positive, that means, for example, there is a number 6. If I can break 6 as the two factor, product of 2 into 3 as 6, then 6 can also be the result of product of minus 2 and minus 3. Minus 2 and minus 3 on multiplication, that can also give me the value of plus 6. Are you getting me? So, saying that product of two positive numbers value can be positive, even product of two negative numbers value can also be positive. So, that is why I have said that whenever we multiply two numbers such that their product value is positive, that means then individually both of them are positive or both of them are negative. So, whenever we will multiply two negative numbers, two numbers both are negative, then their product has to be positive. And at the same time, when there are two numbers to be multiplied, both are individually positive, then also their product will be positive, right? And if we say the product of two number A and B, that becomes negative, less than 0 means negative, then there can be two solutions, two possibilities. First is either A positive and B negative, or the second possibility A negative and correspondingly B positive. That means the product can be negative, product of two number can be negative when A and B are B are of opposite sign means one is positive and other is negative. Got my point? Product of two numbers will only be negative when either A is positive, B is negative, or vice versa. When A becomes negative, then B will be positive. That means as per the solution range of 1, if 1 is positive, when A is positive, B is coming negative, or in 2, when A is negative, B is coming positive. That means the product of two numbers to be negative means one will be positive, then the second one will be negative. Whoever, I mean, like, it is not necessarily that bigger one positive, smaller one negative. No, even the reverse can also be possible. The ultimate thing is the product of two numbers means one will be positive number, the other one will be negative number.